designing and printing every week to solve real-world problems. We play a lot of board games at my house, and Codenames is one of our favorites. But the game itself doesn't come with an insert for these cards, and so I made one that makes it easy to, when you're playing the game, you can keep the cards at your disposal for playing the game. There's also an insert for storing the little card holder and the timer. And then it folds nicely back right into the box when you're done with it. So you're ready to play the next time. Let me know what you think.